guys, Gerald for Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and unboxing of the ADIDAS BW ARMY. Before we get to this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, helps us greatly. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank subscribers new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this, so thank you. Let's go. Today, guys, we've got a look at the ADIDAS BW ARMY. This is a size exclusive. So for those that don't know or who aren't from the UK or aren't well known with UK retailers, Size is a UK retailer. They specialize in sneakers and sportswear. I was going to say streetwear. I mean, streetwear, that's a whole nother debate. If you want to see us, let us know in the comment section below. We might got a podcast or something. You'll never know. You'll never know. So we got this in a UK size 8, it's a US 8.5, and it's a European 42. We got this in the Pebble colorway, and let's get on unboxing actually. There we go. It's a pretty clean sneaker, if I say so myself. Look at that. Low top, great materials, and if you're not a big fan of like the olive laces that it comes with, you got another choice. You got some white flat laces there also. So with the height and success that ADIDAS is having nowadays, it's slowly right some retailers jump on the bandwagon, use their low top silhouettes to make their own exclusives. And what better than another indoor sports sneaker than the BW. So the BW was another sneaker inspired by indoor sports, or in this case it's indoor football, and it does kind of share the same similarities between the ADIDAS Samba, which I will get into when I show some details. But this is from the 70s, it's one from the archives. What Size have done, they've just coloured it up. Really nice colourways as well to complement also. So we'll start with the outsole. So this outsole is an all rubber outsole, and you can see similarities already if you look at the traction patterning. It is similar to the one you can find in the ADIDAS Samba. So you've got like some suction cuts there, and then I don't really know the name of this patterning here, but you can find it on the Samba as well. Some raised zigzags, and you got the name, the BW Sport 265. And again, like I mentioned before, this was intended for indoor football use, even though like the original Samba, which this obviously takes inspiration from, that is actually outdoor, and they wanted to use it for snow during the World Cup. But if you want to see a review, check out our ADIDAS review, the ADIDAS Samba review that we've done before in the past. So essentially this is a cup sole unit, so it's a rubber cup sole also. That makes the midsole, and on the upper we've got a range of levers. So if we look at the toe box, so the T cut there, it's in that suede, and then the rest of the sneaker itself is made out of levers, well, just normal leather cuts there, and it's in this greenish, very muted olive colorway. So this complements the color of the midsole sole unit. Also, it's like this gum colorway also, but as I mentioned before, it's in that low cut, sleek version, sleek cut right there for you. The tongue itself is leather also. You got the ADIDAS logo there also. Flat laces in the green as well. The inner, so it is leather lined, but then the insole itself is a foam insole with the ADIDAS logo. And then we'll look at the heel. You got the ADIDAS Trefoil logo imprinted also. So really big fan of this sneaker. I'm a big fan of ADIDAS at the minute, like a lot of people are, I'm not gonna lie. The casual look, that terrace pack that ADIDAS are famous for, this sits alongside it. Big up Size, if anyone from Size is watching, and we know that you are. You've done a solid job on the colorway of this pack, and I'm really excited to try this on. So roll out footage of me trying this BW ARMY on for you. it comes to the fit, guys, I recommend that you get your true to size Adi fit. For me, I'm a UK size 8 when it comes to Adidas products. My toes are where they need to be. However, it feels a bit too tight. I think it's because of the tongue. The tongue is feeling a bit too constrained on the top of my feet. And I don't know if you can hear it on the audio, guys, but it's a bit quick. It's a bit squeaky. Doesn't really bother me, but I know it will bother loads of people's ears. But who cares what they think, you know? If it annoys them, it's their problem. But these look really cool on. Very different. It's not, you know, when you think about Adidas, you think of the 3 stripe. You can't really see anything 3 stripes here. One thing I forgot to mention in the review, however, it looks really dope on. Still got that terrace, that samba look, feel, the low cut, and it's an alternative. It's an Adidas sneaker for those that know. They know, you know what I mean. And yeah, it's one great addition to the Adidas collection. And if anyone's wondering what trousers I'm wearing a pair of Uniqlo cargo parachute pants. I don't think they sell these at the minute on the Uniqlo website, but check out the store and do check out the website. I've not checked it out. This is not a Uniqlo ad, by the way, but if anyone from Uniqlo is watching, and we know that you are, throw some garms your boys' way. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz on Instagram and on TikTok. Until next time, peace.